Hello and welcome to Google Mohan, where we explore the latest updates and insights in education, career, and innovation. UGC's new draft norms allow domain experts without teaching experience to be eligible for post of Vice Chancellor, the University Grants Commission. Monday released draft guidelines for recruitment of vice chancellors at universities, which proposes allowing direct appointment of industry experts as well as senior professionals from the public sector. While the current guidelines allow for academicians with at least 10 years of experience as a professor or in a prominent research or academic administrative role to be eligible for the post of vice chancellor, the draft norms propose that those with at least 10 years of senior level experience in industry, public administration, public policy, or PSUs also be considered for the role. The new guidelines also seek to amend norms for hiring faculty in universities, making those with a postgraduate degree in Master of Engineering or Masters of Technology, MTech, with at least 55% marks eligible for the post of assistant professor without having to clear the University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test. Presently, National Eligibility Test is mandatory for appointment as assistant professor. The UGC has also proposed revising regulations to attract the best talent in fields such as yoga, music, performing arts, visual arts, sculpture, and drama for this post. The UGC minimum qualifications for appointment and promotion of teachers and academic staff in universities and colleges and measures for the maintenance of standards in higher education regulations 2025 issued now will replace the 2018 guidelines. The new guidelines have been uploaded on the UGC website for inviting feedback and suggestions. The draft guidelines were launched by Union Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, who said that they will infuse innovation, inclusivity, flexibility, and dynamism in every aspect of higher education. They empower teachers and academic staff, strengthen academic standards, and pave the way for achieving educational excellence, the minister said. Direct entry of industry experts as vice chancellors. The revised guidelines issued by the UGC seek to broaden the criteria for appointing vice chancellors at universities. At present, candidates for the position are required to be distinguished academicians with at least 10 years of experience as a professor at a university or in a prominent research or academic administrative role, demonstrating academic leadership. Under the new norms, UGC is proposing an additional eligibility criterion. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Google Mohan, for important updates in education sector.